Okay, so today we are making some Halloween cupcakes. So here are some of the things that you're going to need. I chose to use red velvet, so just go ahead and use your favorite red velvet mix. Make it from scratch. You'll need eggs for that, oil, water. Go ahead and pick some spooky toppers. I got those eyeballs for $1 at the dollar store. You're going to need a can of condensed milk, 14 ounces. You're going to need pink and red food dye if you're going to make exactly like mine come out. 4 sticks of butter, and obviously a cupcake pan and some wrappers. All right, so here it is, everything that I'll be using. Stay tuned for the rest. Okay, now that I have my cupcakes all mixed up and baking, I'm going ahead and work on the frosting. So go ahead and take those 4 sticks of butter, slice them. When they're all sliced up, just go ahead and put them in your mixer, and when it's all nice and fluffy, we're going to add the condensed milk. But yeah, make sure it's softened and chopped up before you put it in your mixer. Okay, got my butter all whipped up. Now it's time to add the 14 ounces of condensed milk. Then I'll whip this up, I'll add the food coloring, and I'll show you guys how it came out. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the frosting, which is the butter and the condensed milk all mixed together. Now I'm going to add the food coloring. Okay, I want this frosting to be red, so I'm actually going to add pink first so that it already has kind of like a base, and then I'm going to add the red. Okay, so that's the next step. I will show you guys what it comes out looking like. So yeah, if you want to do true red, try always using a base first. So like a pink or an orange or something to kind of lift the color closer to what you're trying to get to, if that makes any sense at all. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so here's just the pink food coloring. All right, so I'm getting it all nice and pink, and then next I'm going to add in the red to really make a nice Halloweeny red. All right, but that's the pink. Looking good. All right, there's our beautiful red. Perfect. So it's going to be time to start piping. If you want it even darker than that, you just keep on layering that red over that pink, but I'm happy with this color. So next step. All right, so my cupcakes came out of the oven. Oh, they smell so good. All right, so good. They're going to be so moist. I love this cake mix. It's the best out there. If you haven't tried it, then you need to, because it's seriously good. But they're already looking pretty spooky, so I can't wait to frost and decorate. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just finished piping these cupcakes. Piped so easy, so creamy, so exciting. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with the eyeballs. I'm literally just going to stick them right there. All right, these are my spooky Halloween cupcakes. All right, I'm going to be making Halloween treats all this month. It's one of my favorite holidays. So I'm definitely going to have some fun with it, but this is just our first one. So red on a eyeball. And stay tuned for the taste test. All right. All right, guys, the moment of truth, what I know you've all been waiting for, the taste test time. You ready?
Ready.
All right, so of course these are not all the ones I made. I also found some little bat rings at the dollar store, so I decided to throw some of those on as well. The dollar store is like a great find for cheap, inexpensive little toppers. So these are the 3. He can choose the one he wants. Okay, ta-da! So the frosting still intact, looking so beautiful. And so go ahead, pick which one you want, sir.
Yeah, I already know exactly.
Oh boy, and what made you pick that one? The eyeball?
Yeah.
All right, so there it is in all its glory. Mm-hmm. All right. They didn't come to see your face. They came to see that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Well, they did. No. All right. Let's get this going here. Smells delicious. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Another eyeball.
The sound effects.
Here we go.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Oh my god, you can almost stick the whole thing in there.
Yeah, delicious.
All right, describe it for the people and give me your rating.
You bite down into it, instantly you can taste the buttercream. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Then, on to the real velvet. Never fails me. Never fails me. So, these two together, yes, definitely. Definitely.
And did it pass the spooky test?
Oh, yeah.
Is it Halloween approved?
Halloween approved.
All right. Okay, so I'll go ahead and end this video, let you finish that. What was the rating you gave it?
Oh, I like this a lot. So I'm getting this a 10.5. Above the director scale.
All right.
So you know.
Sounds good. Thanks for everybody who's watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And like I said, I'll be making spooky treats all of spooky month. So see you next time. Bye.